Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. Box number 1, 2010 Panini Gridiron Gear Football. Lots of packs, looking for obviously some nice hits. I'll keep the checklist to the side in case we hit a redemption. But good luck to everyone. I'm going to move the packs up a little bit. And pack number 1. And off the bat, we have an autograph, rookie autograph of Jason Worlds for the Steelers. That one's low numbered too. 19 out of 25. Jason Worlds, numbered out of 25. So one pack, one auto there, and a rookie right behind it of the same guy. And the rookies, if they're not numbered, I won't show them on blog, unless they're numbered, then I'll show them. A rookie crash course of Darrell Revis and Randy Moss. That's out of 100, Jets and Patriots. And a rookie of Taylor Mays, not numbered, for the 49ers. Next, we got an X of Steve Smith for the Panthers at a 250. This is 2010 Everson Griffin Vikings rookie card. Base. Rookie orientation of Jimmy Clausen for the Panthers, numbered out of 250. And a rookie of Russell Okung for the Seahawks, not numbered. So first pack we got a hit, and after that nothing so far. Rookie of Dominique Curry for the Rams, not numbered. Alright, we got an X of Donovan McNabb for the Redskins at a 250. And a rookie of Nate Allen for the Eagles. And I'm going to move this down just a little more. You could actually see the packs at least. Gem Breakers for the 49ers. Out of 100 of Michael Crabtree. Insert. And a rookie of Anthony Dixon for the 49ers. Two rookies, David Reed for the Ravens, 22 out of 25, low numbered. And Jerry Hughes for the Colts, rookie, not numbered. Alright, final pack of the first half of the box. And we have a X of DeMarcus Ware out of 100. And a Brody Aldridge for the Colts, rookie, not numbered. Where are the hits? And here they are. Armonte Edwards for the Panthers. Football jersey. Football jersey of Armonte Edwards for the Panthers. That's numbered out of 50. Nice looking card. A rookie of Jeremy Horn for the Chiefs, not numbered. Hit number 1 was a Jason Worlds. Rookie auto for the Steelers. And next hit will be for the Chiefs. Chiefs, we have a Dwayne Bowe single color jersey at a 250. Rookie of Trent Williams for the Redskins, and base. Base, Dwayne Bowe X. It's at a 250. Where's the big hits? Rookie of Jason Pierre-Paul for the Giants, not numbered. Got a bunch of packs left. We're on to 3 hits. Game breaker, Ronnie Brown for the Dolphins. That's out of 250 as a base falls to the floor. There's the base, which is actually a rookie of TJ Ward for the Browns, and the rest is base. So, 3 hits so far. Hopefully it's a 5-hit box. And I love how no one cares about the cards. They're all just talking about Jersey Shore right now. Armonte Edwards for the Panthers, freshman or rookie orientation. Let's see. Carlos Dunlap for the Bengals out of 250. A rookie of Roberto Wallace. And here's another hit. It'll go to the Cardinals. We have a Larry Fitzgerald jersey patch. There's like a little bit of, I don't know what that is, a little bit of something and a little scratch on this card. But jersey, actually there are 2 jerseys. One actually looked like a patch, but 2 jerseys of Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals. And that one is out of 100. So that's 4 hits right there. There's a rookie in that pack of Desmond Briscoe for the Bengals. There's 2 packs left, so hopefully we get another hit, or else that box was, not the greatest. Rookie of Morgan Burnett for the Packers, not numbered. And final pack. Final pack of box 1. And it will be all base, besides for an X of John Connor for the Jets out of 100, and a Andrew Quarles for the Packers, not numbered rookie. So that is box number 1, 2010 Gridiron Gear, 4 hits, nothing huge, and only 1 autograph, but what could you do? Tons of boxes to go. GSN Cards is out.